Hi, in this video we shall explain what a solar grid connected system is and how it works. A grid connected solar system generally has four basic components: the solar or photovoltaic panels, the loads like TV, fan, AC, the solar inverter, and the grid or the main power supply. In a typical building, before connecting solar, the grid is the only source of power and all the loads in the building are run by it. After connecting solar PV system on the rooftop, the power required by the loads is supplied by the solar or the grid or both together. The working of an on-grid system can be explained in 5 simple scenarios. When solar generation is equal to the load requirement, the loads are completely run by the solar power. The grid is available but power from it is not required at this time. When solar generation is greater than the load, the generated solar power will support the existing loads first and the excess will be sent out to the grid. This is called as export to the grid. When load requirement is greater than the solar generation, all solar power will be self-consumed by the loads. Meanwhile, the grid will join to support the excess load demand. Typically during night time, when there is no solar generation, the grid will supply power to meet the load requirements. This is called import from the grid. In the absence of the grid, that is during a power cut, the solar inverter shuts down. This is for the safety of the staff working on the grid for maintenance.